Hello and welcome to Digia. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Masonry Grid widget inside your Digia dashboard. The Masonry Grid helps you create Pinterest-style layouts where each item can have a different height, but still align neatly in multiple columns. It's perfect for image galleries, cards, blogs, or product tiles where the content size varies. Just like List View and Grid View, the Masonry Grid is scrollable and lazy-loaded, so only visible items are built first, keeping your app fast and smooth, even with large datasets. First, add a Masonry Grid widget to your page. Inside it, don't add many children. Just add one single item widget. This will act as the template for every tile in the layout. Now, inside this item, add an image widget. Select the Masonry Grid and connect a list or array to the data source property. Once the data source is set, each tile can use current item to access its own data. Now, instead of using a static image, make the image widget dynamic. For example, bind the image widget's URL or path to currentitem.url or whichever field holds your image. Digia will then repeat your item template for each element in the list and automatically arrange them in a flowing masonry layout, each tile showing a different image or content based on current item. Now, let's go through Masonry Grid widget properties. The controller lets you hook into the grid scroll position, so you can control or listen to scrolling from code. Allow Scroll decides whether this Masonry Grid should scroll on its own, or let a parent scrollable widget handle the scrolling. Shrink Wrap makes the grid size itself only as big as its content, which is useful when it's inside another scroll view. Cross-axis count controls how many items appear side by side, basically, the number of columns. Cross-axis spacing is the gap between items placed next to each other horizontally. Main axis spacing is the gap between items stacked above and below each other along the scroll direction. With just these few settings, you can fine-tune how dense or spacious your masonry layout feels. It's a simple but powerful way to build rich, dynamic, Pinterest-style layouts directly from your data. If you have any questions about the Masonry Grid widget, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.